Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. I'm Zunaira Javed from Army Public School and Colleges Rahim Yar Khan, Kent. Today we have mathematics class for grade 2. We are going to learn about division and the topic is dividing by 3 and 4. You will also revise multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Resources required for today's lesson are practice workbook and notebook. Summary of the lesson is students will be able to form multiplication tables and then use these tables to multiply and divide numbers. Topic introduction. What is division? Division is when we split up or divide a whole group into small equal groups. We have a number of objects and we divide it into groups and these groups are equal. So this is called division. This is the symbol of division. Objectives of the lesson are students will be able to determine that division is dividing objects into equal groups and recognize that division is opposite to the multiplication. This is the pictorial representation of division. There are 12 apples in the picture and when we divide these apples in equal number of groups and each group has equal number of apples, so this is called division. This is worksheet number 1, dividing by 3 and 4. Write your name, class and date at the top of the page. Question number A is, Wiming has 18 rubber ducks. He put 3 rubber ducks in each box. So total number of objects is 18. Write 18 in the first box. You have to divide the numbers, so put the sign of division at the middle. Then you have to divide the ducks in 3 groups. In the box, each group has 3 ducks. So divide 18 with 3 and write the answer. Question number B is similar to question number A. There are 12 toy cars. Altogether, each group has 4 toy cars. You have to divide 12 cars in 4 groups. Similarly, question number C is, Priya has 15 teddy bears. She put them equally onto 3 shelves. She put them equally means she divided the teddy bears in group of 3s in 3 shelves. So divide 15 with 3 and write the answer. Next, there are 24 toy boards. The toy boards are put equally into 4 groups. Divide 24 with 4. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. A part is 6 divided by 3. What is 6 divided by 3? 2. For example, you have 6 apples and you have to divide it in 3 groups. So each group has 2 apples. Now check your answer. Write 2 in the first box of check line. And what is 2 multiplied by 3? 6. Yes, your answer is right. Divide the numbers and check your answer. Question number 3 is match. There are some division questions written on the hats. Divide the numbers and match with the right answer. Worksheet number 2 is multiplication and division. Question number 1 is look at each picture. Make a family of multiplication and division facts. As I told you earlier, 5 multiplied by 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 is equal because multiplication is commutative. Next we have division facts. Write 20 and divide it with the multiples. The multiples of 20 are 5 multiplied by 4. Divide 20 with 4 and divide 20 with 5. And write the division facts. Question number B is 6 multiplied by 3. There are 6 baskets and each basket has 3 pets. So multiply 6 with 3. Next multiplication fact is 3 multiplied by 6. And similarly with the division fact, divide 18 with 3 and then divide 18 with 6. C part and D part are similar to first 2 parts. Count the number of objects and then count the number of sticks, multiply it and write the answer. And similarly write division facts. Worksheet number 3, solving of word problems. Question number A is, Priya puts 18 stickers equally in 3 albums. How many stickers does Priya put in each album? Then divide 18 with 3 to find out the number of stickers in each album. And write the answer in the last box. Priya puts dash stickers in each album. B part is, Ahmed has 24 marbles for his friends. The marbles are shared equally among his 4 friends. As he is sharing, he is dividing the number of marbles. So divide 24 with 4. Milling has 5 bags of potatoes. Each bag has 4 potatoes. In each bag there are 4 potatoes and we have 5 equal groups. How many potatoes does Milling have altogether? Altogether means you have to multiply the numbers. Question number 3 is, there are 36 pupils. The teacher asked them to line up in a row of 4s. It means we are dividing 36 students in 4 groups. Question number 4 is, Nora has 28 roses. She put the roses equally in 4 ways. She put them equally in 4 ways means we are dividing 28 roses in 4 groups. Next is review exercise. Question number 1 is, fill in the blanks. Multiply and divide the numbers and then match it with the multiplication and division facts. Question number 2 is, Women put 30 spinning tops equally into 3 boxes. He is dividing the numbers of tops into equal groups. So divide the numbers 30 and 3. Mrs. Lee has 4 children. She wants to give each child. Multiply the numbers to find out how many boxes does she need. Next question number 4 is, Bina, Kate, Zainal and Siti each have the same number of stickers. There are 4 girls who are dividing or multiplying their objects. Let's find out this question is of multiplication or of division. They have 36 stickers altogether. So the total number of stickers is 36. How many stickers does each girl have? If they have equal number of stickers and total number is 36, so divide it with 4 and find out how many stickers each girl has. Homework. Write multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 in your notebook and solve workbook pages 102 to 109, 111 to 112. Homework guidelines. Students will do the homework in their notebooks by clearly writing date and day, draw margin line and do 1 page daily. Then capture the clear picture of homework and send it to the teacher's personal number. Thank you.